What's up, beauties? Welcome to the Ferny show. I know I look a little bit weird today. I think that you know why. It's because my eyebrows are not done. Please don't forget to do your eyebrows. It's really important and it can really change your face. Look at that. I usually do my eyebrows with eyeshadow only. Yeah, your girl is totally crazy because at the end of the day, the brows are gone, and that's a no-no. And as you might know by the title of the video, it's gonna be about the LA Girl Brow Pomade. So I took two shades, the dark brown and the soft black. It's supposed to be long-lasting and water-resistant, so I'm so happy. Tell me if you make the difference between the two colors, because I don't. Dang. Wow. There is nothing on the tissue, and it's a white tissue for real. There is nothing. Right now, I'm wearing two colors on my brows. Please tell me if you can tell. Maybe just me, but I can't. But it's okay. I'm really happy with it. I can touch. I'm gonna check. Yeah, it's amazing. I can touch my eyebrows like that, and yeah, no transfer. And the price, oh my god, it's not expensive at all. So if you wanna have it, just buy it. You won't regret it. Oh my god. Anyway, tell me if you ever use this product and tell me the shade you use, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.